All English Podcast.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to All English Podcast. I'm really happy you're here. In today's episode, we're going to the supermarket together. You'll hear real English conversations. Exactly the kind of English people use in real life. First, you'll listen to a short conversation. Then, I'll help you understand the key expressions. Don't worry about understanding every word. Just listen and relax. All right, let's get started.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for olive oil.
Sure, it's in aisle 5.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
This is a very common first conversation in a supermarket. Can I help you? Is a polite way to offer help. And when you say, I'm looking for olive oil, it means you want to find something. You can change just one word and use this sentence everywhere. I'm looking for bread. I'm looking for milk. Now, let's continue.
Sorry, aisle 5?
Yes, go straight, then turn left.
Next to the pasta?
Exactly.
Great, thanks.
Here, the customer didn't understand clearly, so they asked again. Using sorry is very natural and polite. You'll also hear simple directions like go straight and turn left. Notice how short the sentences are. Real English is often simple like this.
Excuse me, where can I find rice?
Rice is in aisle 3.
Is it near the bread section?
Yes, it's across from the bread.
Okay, I see it now.
Excuse me is one of the best ways to start a question politely. Where can I find is extremely useful. You can use it for anything in a store, and I see it now means you found what you were looking for.
Excuse me, how much is this olive oil?
It's 6 euros?
Is there a cheaper one?
Yes, this one is 4 euros.
I'll take this one.
How much is this? Is a must-know question. When the customer says, is there a cheaper one? They are asking for another option. Very natural shopping English. I'll take this one means you decide to buy it.
Do you have a smaller bottle?
Yes, right here.
That's perfect.
This is a great example of practical English. Do you have is used when you're asking about availability. And that's perfect is a friendly way to say yes.
Hello, what can I get for you?
I'd like some cheese, please.
How much would you like?
Half to kilo, please.
Anything else?
Yes, some chicken.
At fresh food counters, you often talk about amounts. I'd like some is polite and very common. Half a kilo and some are everyday shopping expressions.
How much chicken would you like?
About 1 kilo.
Is this okay?
Yes, that's fine.
About is useful when you don't need an exact number. Yes, that's fine means everything is okay. Simple and natural.
Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we do.
Great.
Always good to ask about payment. Do you accept credit cards? Is polite and clear. The short answer, yes we do, is very common in English.
Hello.
Hi.
Do you have a bag?
No, I don't.
Would you like one?
Yes, please.
That's 23 euros.
Here you are.
Thank you. Would you like the receipt?
Yes, please.
Here you are is what you say when giving money or a card. Would you like is polite and professional English. And receipt is the paper you get after paying.
Your card didn't go through.
Oh, sorry. Let me try again.
Okay.
Did it work?
Yes, it's approved.
Perfect, thank you.
Problems like this happen everywhere. Didn't go through means the payment failed. It's approved means the payment was successful.
Busy day today.
Yes, very busy.
Have a nice day.
You too.
This is small talk, short and friendly conversation. You too is a natural response in English.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
Great job listening today. These were real English conversations you can use in real life. Listen again, repeat the sentences, and imagine yourself in the supermarket. This was All English Podcast. See you in the next episode.